Right, this is exciting. Some of you might remember, some of you probably don't. My friend Indy, he's back on the island and we are going to trek to Mango Bay. I've been wanting to do this for so long. It was our first date, so come on, let's do first date redo. Indy, you have got away with no camera till now, but look, trainers. Brand new trainers on from Chomp On. Remember that trip with Grumpy? Right, Mango Bay, here I come, finally. I've strapped you on, and here we have one Indy. Good morning. The camera's out. Wave to the camera, Indy. Yeah. You thought you'd get away with it. Take the turning at Sari Junction. And you're going to go straight past Smile Mark, okay? Take the turning to Mango Viewpoint. So it was a totally different time of year that we last did this. Trip down memory lane. You've got a stretch of concrete going through the jungle. And back onto the dirt tracks. This is where we parked the bikes last time. I'll just wait for him here for a bit. That's got my blood pumping. Right, Indy's walking down the hill because he's the fitness maniac and I'm waiting for him on my bike. Little tuition from Indy because that, mate, I was skidding. Right, so we're going to park here?
Yeah, is that right?
And on the trail. Oh, I like it. We've got an arrow.
Yeah.
My hope is to actually be able to know how to get here without you. What you go down, you've got to come back up again. Dripping with sweat. So hot. They are very deserted. Someone's living there. Mango Bay. Oh, so hot.
Good.
Oh, you're not allowed to hear him talk. Anyway, look. Here we are, Mango Bay. Let's go swimming. Ah, nobody. Oh, we have arrived. Indy's straight in the water. Had a nice little dip with Indy. He always goes underwater whenever I point the camera at him. Gonna get our snorkels now. Take you in the water for the first time now. Nice new camera, by the way, GoPro 12. Woohoo! So Mango Bay. You can't get here by road. You can get here by boat, or you can get here like we did, trekking, also known as walking. Snorkeling time! Woo! Swimming around the rock, then heading back to the beach. While we're having our swim, everyone kind of arrived, and so did the clouds. One last dip before we hike up. Can you see the rain? Storms are brewing. We've seen lightning. We can hear thunder. We've got to get our asses back up the hill. Up all the steps we go. Will the storm catch us? That is the question. It is open. 300 baht and you get main drink pudding. Kabow! Cool. We have thunder. What is happening? Are we going to be getting wet on the way home? Oh, the table's been moved back. Mike's taking a photo. Chaos! It is raining, guys. Indy thinks he's going to get his bike fixed today. I'm not going to go walking in this pissing rain. We're staying here for a bit. What's up, Indy? Yeah, another example of needing some gutters. Look how busy it is since we arrived. Right, seems to be a lull. It's only spitting. Let's get going. Ready? Yeah. Thank you. Swadika. Rumbles in the jungle. Ooh. We're back to the pipe and I'm still walking. So far so good. I need a breather. He's way fitter than me. Tripping and he was slipping. Down, up. When will it end? Oh my goodness, we did it! And I'm not lying on the floor. It's a miracle. Oh, just driven little Neon up here. Indy is walking up. It's raining again. I'm going to try and put my poncho on in this little shelter. My little changing room. What a fun day. And off he goes. Can you see him? The poncho doesn't work. How does a poncho not work? It's all sticky. So off we go. Let's catch up Indy. Oh, it's really fun. I can't ride and film because, oh my goodness, this is manic. Leave it! Main road. Let's go home. It was a crazy wet journey back from Mango Bay. Here is beautiful Sari. The rain stopped. We're on the bike. Let's go rescue Indy on the down road. Indy's in charge. Check out Indy's view. Let's go back to Maya.